Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to pick the image color for shape on Microsoft PowerPoint. In Microsoft PowerPoint shape object, you can fill the color from color palette. Sometimes people would like to pick the color from presentation image. In this situation, how they can pick the color? Let's learn how you can do this. So in my presentation, first I would like to insert the object. So I have to go to insert tab. Here you have to click on the shape. Then you have to click on the oval shape. Then I draw the round. I exactly place for the object on that center of the text. Then I would like to move the text to front. So I have to click on the bring to front. Now the text moved to the front of the object. Now we have to select the object. Here I would like to fill the color for this color. So we have to pick the color from this image. So I have to go to home tab. Under the drawing section we have to select the shape fill. Then we have to select the eyedropper. It will be show the picker icon. Then you have to move for the image. So now you can check it out. If you move the eyedropper icon to anywhere of the image, it will be pick the color from that area. So I would like to fill this color. So I have to select this. It will be automatically selected. If you would like to fill the color for border, you have to select here, then go to eyedropper tool, then we have to again select the color. That's it. So now the shape fill the color from the images. So in this way you can pick the image color for shapes on Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.